Alright. Using my Samsung Galaxy S23 here, today I am going to show you 3 unique phone call features that you probably did not know and definitely should try out. These will work on any Samsung phone. The first one is the hands-free voice commands for answering or rejecting calls. To enable this feature, we will need to open the Bixby app. Then on the bottom right corner, let's tap the gear icon. Now look for Talk to Bixby without wake up option and tap that. Then just turn on this feature. Below, you will see the voice commands that you can use. For phone calls, that would be answer phone or reject call. And this also enable voice commands for alarms to dismiss or snooze them. And for timer to dismiss or restart it. But for this video, we are just focusing on the phone calls. Okay, let's go back to the home screen and then let's do a call. Here we go. As you can see, we have the text here at the bottom on what voice commands we can say. So when I say
reject call,
there you go. The call has ended. Of course, if you want to answer the call, you should say answer phone. This is a really nice and very helpful hands-free feature for phone calls. Next feature that we are going to explore is assigning a picture or video background for a specific contact. For this, we will need to open the contacts. Then select the contact you want to assign background to. Then tap on the 3 dots at the bottom right corner. And tap on Edit Call Background. Now tap the background icon at the bottom center. From here you can select the default background picture, which is a light blue and pink gradient. You can also select the preloaded video here, which is also a gradient where the colors slightly move around. Or select an avatar video as a background. For full customization, you can create your own background by tapping the plus icon at the top right corner. This will open your gallery, where you can select any picture or video that you want to set as a background for this specific contact. Let me select this Insta360x3 footage here. As you can see in the note below, the video, which is more than 1 minute, is too long for a background. Background video should only be up to 15 seconds. So we will need to trim it. To do that, we will need to tap the scissors icon at the center of the video. Now from the video timeline below, we can drag the pointers to select parts you want. Just tap done when you're good. There we go. You also have an option here to set the video background as the ringtone when this contact calls you. When everything is good, just tap the set as call background and you're done. Now when that contact calls you, you will immediately know who is calling since you can see the unique background image, or in this case, background video, that you have assigned for this contact. A great and nice way to easily identify and make a certain contact stand out when he or she calls you. The third and last trick, but definitely the most interesting one, is enabling your phone to read aloud the name of the person calling you. To enable this, we will need to open the phone app. Then tap the 3 dots here for more options and go to the settings. From here you will see the answering and ending calls option. Let's tap that. Then you just need to enable the read caller names aloud. Below, you have an option here to enable this only when you are connected to a Bluetooth device or a headphone, which is probably the most logical way of using this since you don't want the caller's name announced to everyone when the call happens on a public place. But for this demo, I will be choosing always. Let's go back to the home screen and make a call.
Minister Tamumo.
There we go. It announced the caller's name, Minister Tamumo.
reject call,
Let's do another sample here. Let me edit the name to the love of my life is calling, and let's try that.
The love of my life is calling.
There you have it. If you are running or maybe on transport, you don't need to open your phone anymore to know who is calling. And by doing the voice command, you can easily accept or reject the call. I hope I gave you new knowledge about your Samsung device today. If you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Milasuj for watching. Nova Air.